Hello everyone! In this video, I want to share my weekend routine with you. But first, let me ask you something. When someone asks, "What do you do on weekends?" Do you ever feel blank? I do. My weekend is not perfect. It's not fancy, but it is real. So, this is how I spend my time. On Saturday, I wake up at 10 a.m. There is no alarm and no hurry. I open my eyes slowly and stay in bed for a while. I think to myself, finally, no work today. My room is quiet. The sunlight comes through the window. My bed is messy, but I don't mind. I check my phone for a few minutes, just messages, and then I finally get up. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth slowly. Then I take a long, warm shower. It feels so relaxing. After that, I put on my favorite comfortable clothes. They aren't stylish, but they feel good. I look in the mirror and smile. I finally feel like myself again. At 11:30 a.m., I head to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast, maybe toast or eggs. I make a cup of tea and sit quietly. No music, no noise, just silence. I don't check the clock or think about work. It's the most peaceful part of my day. After breakfast, I start a mini reset. I fold my clothes, wipe the table, and wash the dishes. I open the windows to let the fresh air in. As I clean my room, my mind feels cleaner too. I don't rush. In the afternoon, I sit down with my notebook. I write about my feelings or my plans for next week. I don't force it. I just write what comes to mind. Then I spend a little time learning. I might watch an educational video or practice my English. Even 30 minutes of learning makes me feel proud of myself. Later, I just relax. I watch a show, eat a snack, and put my phone away. In the evening, I sit by the window and watch the sky change colors. I think about my dreams and my challenges. I remind myself it's okay to rest. By 11 p.m., I prepare for bed. I tidy up my blankets and set my alarm for tomorrow. Before I close my eyes, I think of one good thing that happened today. Then I drift off to sleep. This is my weekend. It's simple, it's quiet, and it's real. What does your weekend look like? Let me know in the comments.